Last week, someone asked me what AI tool I'd keep if I could only use one. Not even close. Claude. And not because it's the trendiest, because it's the one I actually have open all day long. Writing, researching, planning, building tools, analyzing documents, it can handle it all. And it does better than any tool I used before. But here's the thing, most people open Claude, type in one question, get mid-answer, and then close the tab. They never see what the thing actually does. And I get it, nobody showed them. So this is the video I wish existed when I started. I'm going to walk you through everything, from your first message all the way to building a setup that makes Claude feel like it was custom built for your life. And we're gonna cover 5 levels. Level 1, getting started and picking the right plan. Level 2, how to talk to Claude so it actually gives you useful answers. Level 3, the features most people don't even know exist. Level 4, how to make Claude permanently yours. And level 5, connecting to your real tools so it starts doing things for you. So, whether you are a student, freelancer, someone 9 to 5, a creator, or just someone who wants to get more done in less time, this is for you. You can also find all the timestamps in the description, so let's get it started. First up, of course, we have to sign up. So head to Claude AI. Again, you can find the link in the description. Sign up usually takes around 60 seconds. You can use Google or Apple accounts and you're in. Now let's talk about the plans. The free plan is generally solid. You get Sonnet, you get web searches, file uploads, artifacts, all the core stuff. If you never used Claude before, start here. No reason to spend money until you know what you're actually doing. But the honest truth is, the free plan has some usage limits, and if you use it a lot, you'll probably hit them. And when you do, that's the signal. If you're hitting the limit, it means this tool is actually useful to you. And this is the time when you can upgrade to a Pro plan, which costs $20 a month. Pro plan will get you Opus 4.6, that's the most intelligent model, way more usage, plus projects, skills, and connectors, which I will show you later in this video. These are the features that take Claude from pretty cool to how did I function without this. Free Claude is like borrowing a friend's car once a week, and Pro Claude is having your own car in the driveway ready to go whenever you need it. When you're inside, you will have your model selector at the top and 2 models you need to know. So the first one is Sonnet 4.6. It's fast, smart, and handles everyday stuff. So basically use this 80% of the time. And after that, we have Opus 4.6. It's slower, but way more powerful. Use this for complex thinking, long writing, or when you need the best output possible. For example, quick question about dinner recipes, use Sonnet. Planning your entire career pivot, Opus. Simple as that. And now we're moving to level 2, how to actually talk to Claude. This is the part that separates people who are saying AI is overrated from people who are quietly saving hours every week with it. The problem is never the tool, it's always how you talk to it. Here's an analogy. Imagine you walk into the restaurant and tell the waiter, bring me some food. Basically, they could bring you something, but it's going to be random. Maybe you have allergies, maybe you hate it, you gave them nothing to work with. And basically, this is what most people do with Claude or ChatGPT or any of these AI models. They type in something vague like help me eat healthier or write me an email and wonder why the answer feels generic. So let me show you the difference. I'm opening fresh incognito mode. It's right here in the right on the top. Let's click on it. This way, Claude doesn't know any information about us. So basically, I will show you how default person uses Claude. And let's paste in one really general question. How do I learn new skill faster? And I will use Sonnet 4.6. Let's run it. And this gives you a really generic, I would say, medium block type answer. So you can see time box theory, teach it early, find someone 2 steps ahead, not 10. So if you ask really general questions, you get general answers, which are not really a big help and reminds me more of a chatbot, not AI assistant. And now I will show you how to properly prompt and ask questions on Claude, even when you use the same incognito chat. Let's paste it in. I'll explain you why I did this. So when you paste it, you can see I'm trying to learn video editing. I have about 45 minutes a day, so you're explaining basically your situation. I'm using DaVinci Resolve because it's free, and I watch few YouTube tutorials, but I feel like I'm not actually retaining anything. Next up, I explain how long I have been trying to achieve these goals and what exactly do you want to get. So give me a 30-day learning plan that prioritizes hand-on practice over watching video. Each day should have one specific thing to practice with a clear done criteria, which is really a great way to learn things. Actually, this is how I learn multiple things: Claude, vibe coding, editing because I edit my own videos, thumbnails, all these stuffs can be learned in these kind of methods. And you can see with a better prompt, with a better explanation, you get way better answers. We have a proper schedule, proper plan. You can see all the information about each day. And again, this is one prompt and you can see how different the answer could be, how more personalized it's for you. And again, if you ask general questions, you get really general answers, like I would say even close to Google. When you personalize and give more context about your situation, you get way better answers. It's the same tool. The only difference is I told it my situation, my constraints, and exactly what I wanted back. And here's the part most people miss. Keep going. Don't take the first answer and leave. Push back and try digging deeper. I've had conversations with Claude that went on for hours. Each response gets sharper because it understands more about what you actually need. One thing you need to remember, this is not Google, it's not search engine, it's a conversation. Okay, now you know how to talk to it. Let me show you the features that make Claude way more than a chatbot, and therefore that changed everything for me. So the first one is web search. Claude can search the internet in real time. This is on by default, but the most people don't realize how powerful it actually is. So forget asking what happened in the news. Here's actually how it works. Let's say I'm trying to decide between two productivity apps, Notion and Obsidian. I could Google it and read 15 comparison articles from 2024, or I could just say to Claude, compare Notion and Obsidian. As of right now, what changed in the last 6 months? I want to use one for personal knowledge management, notes, bookmarks, project tracking. I don't code and I don't want a steep learning curve. So which one I should use and why? So you can see what's happening. Claude is going out, searching current sources, pulling real-time data, and it comes back with a real answer based on what's true right now, not what was true when it was trained. It's really important to notice that. It pulls from multiple sources, synthesizes information, and gives you a recommendation with reasoning. I use this constantly, researching tools, fact-checking information, looking up documents, checking current price, anything where you need accurate and up-to-date information. Next up, we're talking about Claude Vision, or just Vision. Claude can see images. You upload a photo or a screenshot, and it actually understands what's in it. So when you're prompting, you can click plus right here, and you can actually add images, or you can drag any images. For example, let's drag an image. I found this handwritten message on Google, and let's paste in our prompt, transcribe and organize. So basically, you can write some notes with your hand, put in pictures right here, and click go. And Claude will transcribe and organize your messages, your notes, and you can see it's done almost instantly. Claude just got the message, transcribed it, and we have it right now in text format. So if you're scribbling, if you're noting, just take pictures, add it here, and you can have it all organized. I even uploaded a photo of my studio you can see behind and asked Claude, how can we make it better? And it actually gave me pretty good advice. I changed up some lights. So yeah, try this feature yourself because in my opinion, this is really underused and underrated feature of Claude. Next up, we have big one, it's artifacts. This is the feature that blows people's mind. Claude can actually build things, not just text, fully functional, interactive tools right inside the conversation. So let me show you one example. I'll ask Claude to build something practical. I prepared this prompt before doing this video. So build me interactive budget tracker as an artifact. I want to input my monthly income, then add expense categories like rent, food, transportation, subscriptions, and savings. It should calculate what percentage each category takes up, show me a visual breakdown, and flag any category that exceeds healthy percentage. Clean design, dark theme. Again, you can customize and create whatever you want. Let's run it. And here we go. We finally have our artifact. You can see you can input your monthly income. So let's put 5,000, set. And you can see we have interactive working app personalized for use. For example, you can put in how much you're spending. So for example, health, 1,000 euros add. And you can see it even flags it red because for health and fitness, it recommends you spending 10%. And you can see one category needs attention. You can even close it. You can put in education, 100 euros. And you can see it's green. You haven't overspent, but again, you can see the percentage remaining, spent, income, what's left. And if you want to make some changes visually, or for example, add different categories or change something, anything, you can put in right here in the prompt and Claude will change it almost instantly. Again, really powerful. Think about what you could build. A workout tracker, a study planner, a calorie counter, a comparison tool, so many things I just mentioned. Anything that you normally need an app, Claude can prototype it in 60 seconds. I know, it's crazy. Now we're moving to the deep waters, level 4, making Claude permanently yours. Everything I showed you before so far works in the blank chat with zero setup. That's powerful, but also it's still beginner stuff. What I'm about to show you is where Claude stops being a generic AI and starts being your AI, tailored to your life, your goals, and your preferences every single conversation. And 3 things make this happen: custom instructions, projects, and skills. Let me explain. Custom instructions teach Claude who you are. Most people leave this completely blank, and this is like hiring an assistant and never telling them anything about you. To find your personal preference and settings, click on your username, click settings. Right here you have general, you have your username, and right here under that you can input your personal preferences. And whatever you type in the box, Claude will read every single time before starting conversations. And this setup takes around 15 minutes. I'm always changing the setup depending on my businesses, on my goals. Also, sometimes I tweak it. I watch other YouTubers, I see what they're doing, and I'm still trying to find the optimal setup for me and for all the users. Section 1, who you are. Your name, what do you do, what's your day-to-day, are you a student, a freelance designer, a teacher? And this is not to give your ego a boost. It's so Claude stops giving your generic answers and starts filtering everything through your reality. Section 2, how you like to communicate. Do you want short answers or detailed ones? Do you hate bullet points? Do you want Claude to push back on your ideas or just agree with everything? I personally tell it, be direct, don't sugarcoat things, and if my ideas have holes in it, please tell me before I waste too much time. After that, we have section 3, what you're focused on right now. Your current goals, maybe you're learning Python, maybe you're job hunting, maybe you're planning a wedding, maybe you're studying for exam. When Claude knows your priorities, it will give you information which is relevant for your situation right now. Section 4, what you don't want. So for example, don't give me generic advice, don't start responses with great question, don't explain things I already know, don't hedge every answer with it depends, and these guardrails prevent the annoying AI patterns that make people start using and hate it. And if you don't want to build this from scratch, I've got a free tool linked in the description. It's an AI operating system builder. You answer a few questions about yourself, your goals, how you like to communicate. It will generate a full custom instructions for you. Just copy and paste it in Claude and you're done. Link in description. Next up, projects and organized workspaces. Custom instructions are account-wide. That applies everywhere, but sometimes you're working on something really specific and you need Claude to have a deeper context about that exact thing. That's basically what projects are. So first of all, open the sidebar. Click on projects, you get your projects, some of the projects I created before doing this video. And simply put, a project is a dedicated workspace with its own instructions and own uploaded files. Basically, you can upload files to make it more personalized to each task. And the magic is you never have to explain yourself again. So let's click, for example, new project. What are you working on? So for this example, let's do freelance. What are you trying to achieve? So basically, again, you have to put in as much info as possible. Now let's do it simply. Getting more clients. Create project. And this is how the project will look from the inside. So the only difference is, again, you have your prompts, you have your messages, but you can also add personalized instructions to each task. So if you click plus, you can add instructions about your project. And if you don't know how to actually optimize it, you can always ask Claude. And also you can add files. So right here, you can add different documents, guidelines, some legal requirements, and this will give you the best possible outputs from Claude. Now we're talking about one of the most powerful features on Claude. It's skills. Skills are the last piece and they're the most underrated feature on the platform. A skill is a saved set of instructions that Claude follows whenever a certain type of task comes up. Think of it like recording a macro. You teach Claude how to do something once and it does it the exact same way every time. Here's why it matters. If you do anything more than twice, writing emails, summarizing meeting notes, creating study guides, creating business plans, you should make it a skill. Go to the sidebar again, click customize, and right here, kind of hidden, you can find skills. Let's click on it. Right here, you're gonna see all the different skills. Actually add your own right here. You can create them with Claude. As I mentioned, when you don't know what you're doing, you can ask Claude and Claude will help you. You can write skill from instructions or you can actually upload your own skill. And what's really cool right now, we have so many AI creators on YouTube, so you can find lots of amazing skills online. So with one skill, so write skill from instruction. So skill name, let's paste in clean notes. I prepared the skill before doing this video. video, otherwise it will be a really long process. Description: turn messy voice to text notes into clean, structured documents and use this skill pasting raw transcriptions or voice memo. And after that, we have to put in instructions. So when I paste in raw voice text note, with these rules exactly. So again, you can see the structure. First of all, just the name. Next up, description, what do you want to do it? And also instruction, how do you want to do it? Great. And we just created our own skill, and you can do it for anything imaginable. And now when you use Claude normally, remember the skill and instructions, and when it has to execute, it will execute. Build 5 or 10 of these for the most common tasks, and you basically just automated a part-time assistant. The setup takes effort once, but the time saving lasts forever. And now we're moving to level 5, connecting Claude to your real tools. This is the final level. This is where Claude goes from a brain in a box to something that actually interacts with your life. Again, open the sidebar, click Customize, and now click on Connectors. Right here, you can find all the different apps. I'm doing this video on pretty blank Claude account, which I'm showing for YouTube. But again, if you click plus, browse connectors, you can see how many different apps you can connect to Claude. We have Figma, we have different emails, we have Webflow, connect Gmail, and you can say, summarize the 5 most important emails I got today. Or for example, reply to an email sent from Sarah about the project deadline. Connect Google Drive, and you can say, find the document I was working on last week, and Claude will actually go and find it. And the power here is combining connectors with everything else. Claude knows who you are from your custom instructions. It has your project context, it has your skills, and now it can actually interact with your calendar, email, and files. And this is where it stops feeling like a chatbot and starts feeling like a real-time assistant. And by the way, Anthropic just dropped 2 new features called Cowork and Dispatch that will take this all to the next level. Claude can now use your actual computer, open apps, navigate the browser. It even handles tasks while you're away from your desk. It's so wild and so powerful. I plan to do full breakdown and tutorial in my future videos. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one.